Good morning, everyone. It is Brandon from Magic Land Vacations, the travel planning genies, and today I'm going to show you how to use the new virtual queue for Universal Orlando Resort. If this is your first time joining us, make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel down below. And like I said before, my name is Brandon. I am the travel agency owner of Magic Land Vacations, the Disney and Universal travel planning experts, and I also teach other travel professionals how to book Disney and Universal vacations as well. Now today, we're gonna ride one of my favorite rides, which is the Mummy, and we're gonna use the virtual queue system of Universal Orlando Resort. So this is exactly how it works. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up the Universal Orlando Resort app, and I'm gonna click on wait times. Now you can see up here, I have my different selections. So I'm gonna click Thrill in 4D. We can see right now it's 9:17 in the morning, so there's a lot of short waits. 5-minute wait for Transformers, 10-minute wait for Fast and Furious, and I'm looking for anything that says virtual line, which as you can see, Fast and Furious says that, Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey says that, as well as Revenge of the Mummy, which is what I want. Now I did talk to a cast member who told me that they were not running virtual line yesterday because there was not enough people in the park, and so it was just standby the entire day. So we're gonna click and see what happens. Look, unfortunately it says there's no return times currently available. In this case, that's a good thing. That means there's not that many people in the park right now, so I don't need to worry about that. But I do want to show you what a virtual line queue is like. So why don't we try Fast and Furious Supercharged? All right, so we can see it says 10-minute wait or virtual line queue. I'm gonna go to virtual line pass. And it's just me today, but you can scroll this to however many people are in your party. But there's one, just me, so I'm gonna click 9:20 to 9:50. And you can see then I'm gonna reserve my virtual line pass. And now you can see that my virtual line pass is reserved from 9:20 to 9:50 right there. So we are ready to go. And now you can see that when I go to this queue, this is what I'm going to present to them for my return time, to come from 9:20 to 9:50 for Fast and Furious Supercharged. So that's how the virtual line pass system works. Now just because I didn't get a virtual pass for the Mummy doesn't mean I'm not going to ride the Mummy, because it's my favorite ride. So if that standby pass is really, really short, let's go ride the Mummy.
Silence! With your souls, I shall rule for all eternity. Or refuse.
All right, so I just rode the Mummy, and man, can I just say that I love that ride. And oh my goodness, I got some amazing video clips of the Mummy. I just love that ride so much. I also love the movies, just so you know. But now it's time to go on Fast and Furious Supercharged, which you guys can see right behind me. And we're gonna use that virtual queue that we got earlier, that virtual pass. So I'm gonna turn off my camera so I can actually use my cell phone to scan in. Okay, this is crazy, but I am the only person that is on this ride today. So basically all the pre-show was just them talking to me, as in one person is gonna ride the party bus. Check it out.
Mia's calling. Hey Mia, what's up?
Hey Pat, I see our partygoers have arrived.
Yeah, there's just one. Why don't you introduce yourself?
Hey everybody, I'm Mia, Dom's sister. Well, another race just wrapped, and it looks like my brother won another car for his collection.
Of course he did.
Honestly, I don't know why anybody challenges him.
They shouldn't.
Well, we're meeting up at Sullivan's Garage for the after party, and while Tej works on your rides, you guys enjoy the break room. My brother calls this the family room. Dom says he doesn't have friends, he has family.
Adorable.
And the faces you see on these walls are our family. When I'm in this room, I feel like we're all together again.
Where's my face?
So, welcome to our family.
Okay. Well, welcome to the family. Speaking of, hey Tej, you're on the group.
Hi, I'm Jamie. Welcome. This is Tej's room. He's usually right there. He went to work on some buses and left me here alone with you. It's a little awkward, but it's fine. You can just not touch anything, don't break anything, and I guess we'll be all right. But I'm just gonna get back to work. You behave?
I'll behave, I promise.
Okay, awesome, awesome. What now? Hi.
Jamie, the buses are here.
Okay, so is that for him? I can get the doors open and get out of here. Dom's calling.
I got this, Jamie.
All right.
Dom, what up?
Tej, just got a heads up from Hobbs. The FBI's about to raid your location.
That's not good.
Man, they always ruining our fun.
It gets worse.
How can it get
They're
worse?
leading Owen Shaw right to your door.
Which one?
Shaw,
There's a lot
that
of Shaws.
cockroach we beat down in Spain?
Oh,
What's he got to do with this?
it's worse.
Nothing yet. And let's keep it that way.
I agree.
Get those people on those buses.
Right, it's just one.
You need to start bugging out right now.
Already bugging
And
Dom.
get that turbo truck ready. I'm sending Letty there to pick it up.
I can do that.
I'm on it.
Never mind.
Hobbs needs our help. He needs our team.
That's you now.
Spread the
You
word.
should tell everyone you know.
We're keeping
I
it
will.
a family.
Not everyone.
And keep it quiet.
You know what? Just don't say anything. It's another bald guy.
It's Hobbs.
Oh,
Hobbs, my
my
man.
bad.
What up?
Don't hurt me.
Sorry, Brother Tej, no time for chit-chat. I just sent you a brief on FBI agent Novak. Has Toretto filled you in?
No,
Yeah.
that's ludicrous.
He wants us to get everybody over to the party at Sullivan's.
Sounds like a plan. That party is a ready-made diversion. Keep it going.
Diversion?
We need to discuss how you're going to get all those civilians out of there without tipping off the FBI.
There's one person.
Okay, hold on.
Hang on.
Let me get everybody squared away, and we'll talk offline.
Why am I here?
Copy that, Tej, and let everybody know. Shut off your cell phones. We don't want Shaw tracking your locations.
That wouldn't be good.
Okay, Jamie, you heard the man.
Yeah, he did too.
It's about to go to a whole nother level.
So is my blood
Send
pressure.
everybody to the loading
Can I
dock.
go home? It's gone. Alright, head right that way. You can get on those buses, I guess.
So I am literally the only person on, and my driver looks like he needs his caffeine this morning. He definitely doesn't look like he's awake yet. But look, there's literally nobody on with me. I got the party bus to myself. Woo-hoo!
Let's go, Letty. Don't put it in the nipples on. Not gonna happen. Don't worry, I got you. Put the double shield head with the grid. Under contraction. Everybody hold on. Hit the nitrous. Ride or die.
Alright, so I just came out of Fast and Furious Supercharged and I had to write whole into myself. Is that even a phrase? Wholly entirely to myself. And it was amazing! If you guys have never sat in the front row of Fast and Furious Supercharged, that's where it's at. The very front row is amazing. It's a completely different experience. Never done it before, but today I did!